Well, good morning. Thank you for stopping by the garden for a visit. Today is Saturday, March 27th. You know what that means. We're going to do a little review of what we did all week. Then we're going to go to you and see what you've done in your garden. Come on, let's plant. Blueberries are breaking. The miniature blueberry that we adopted last year is doing just fine. It looks like we might actually have some blueberries this year. Well, in this area last year, we had some butternut squash. We also had a volunteer tomato. We had quite a few big sweet potatoes come out right in this area. But look what's coming up this spring. Well, if God wants a plant there, that's where it's going to be. Our lettuce and cabbage. We got collards and leeks going on over there. Everything's starting to get big enough I don't have to do close-ups. You gotta love spring. There's our lettuce and onions that germinated during the polar vortex. And our mini greenhouse experiment, I'm reluctant to take the cold frame down. We could still have a decent frost. This bok choy is continually flowered, and since they're putting on seeds, I still can't bring myself to take them out. But I will at some point. This is a truly awesome community. One of our subscribers sent me a message and corrected me, and I just didn't know. Kale is a biennial. We planted it last year. It made it all the way through winter. It's going to seed. We've never collected seed off of kale, so I'm pretty excited. I'm also very thankful for having that information. I've said this from the beginning, this is a documentary. I'm just showing you what happens in a deep mulch garden. If I'm making a mistake and you correct me, I sure would appreciate it. And we went ahead and let all that cilantro go to seed, and this is what happens. This is our walkway, so it's not real thick with the mulch, and these seeds germinated really well. Got a few things just starting to come up. Onions are doing pretty well. The horseradish is looking like it's about to wake up. A couple of Leon's tomatoes have sprouted. Got a lot more planting to do over the next little bit. That's part of gardening. You just gotta wait. They'll come up when they're ready. Here's a little update on the sweet potato slips, and here's some of the giant ones that we're following. Oh yeah, we did make pie this week. There's not a whole lot left. And Riley did get his share. Oh yeah, we broke into it. Well, we can't plant that container till you get out. What a perfect way to start a morning. The Babcocks are new to our community. They sent in a few shots of what's going on in their garden. Rosemary's coming back, carrots are up, peppers and eggplants look good, and Anna is planting potatoes. Welcome to our community. Go ahead and check out their channel. I've linked it in the description box below. Cody Ruth's seeds are up and going strong. We can't wait to see how your garden's going to grow this year. Thank you, Cody. Robin, welcome to our group. Robin comes from Central New York, Zone 5B. First time winter sowing. She wanted to share some grapes, raspberries, peaches, pears. We look forward to seeing how your raised bed grows this year. Thank you and welcome to the community. Luther's been doing some spring cleanup. His beds are well on their way. We can't wait to see these flowers. Check out Walter's potting system. It's working great. His tomatoes and cucumbers are in a race to see who's going to get biggest first. Walter, by the looks of this experiment, I'll bet you're going to grow some kale this year. Jackie wanted us to know how well his sprouts are doing. They're looking good. Keep us posted. Scott just returned from a well-deserved vacation. He thought he'd bring us some inspiration from Disney's Animal Kingdom. This is beautiful. Thanks, Scott, and welcome back. Hope you didn't get sunburned. Art is off to a great start in his deep mulch raised beds. Do I see sweet potatoes in that greenhouse? I understand those elephant ears are coming up through over a foot of mulch. I can't wait to see how big they're going to get. This is exciting, Art. Keep us posted. Valerie caught a few pollinators down in Texas doing their thing. Springtime is glorious. Thank you, Valerie. Alan is also a new member to this community. He was doing a little cleanup around his beds this morning. Beautiful. Thank you for sharing, and we look forward to seeing how they grow this year. Can't do any planting unless we fill up some containers. I'm truly in awe of this wonderful community and their willingness to bring their gardens to your living room. Please hit that like button, leave a comment down below, even if you just say hi. It helps me be able to bring more episodes just like this to you. To participate in an upcoming episode, just send some photos or a short video clip to waylandsmalley5@gmail.com. I guarantee you all other gardeners love to see what each other are doing. That's where we get our inspirations. That's where we get our ideas. I truly thank you for sharing what's going on in your garden. Thank you for stopping by for a visit. And remember, until next time, take care of yourself, take care of your family, and God bless you. Come on, let's plant.
Let's go plant garden.